When you apply styles to a document, you make it presentable, and easy to read and understand the context. However, sometimes, you may need to replace a particular style with another. For example, you want to reformat all titles that use the style heading 2 with the style heading 1. In this video, let us look at 2 ways we can do this. First, using the Styles pane. And second, using the Find and Replace option. Let us look at the first method, that is replacing styles using the Styles pane. To open the Styles pane, you can either press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus S. Or, in the Home tab, in the Styles group, click on the launcher at the bottom right. The Styles pane is displayed. The first step is to select all instances of heading 2. To do this, in the Styles pane, right-click on heading 2, and select All. You can also choose Select All, from the drop-down list. You will see that all text formatted as heading 2 in the document is selected. Now, in the Styles pane, click heading 1. All the selected text is now formatted with heading 1. It is as simple as that. The second method to replace styles is through the Find and Replace option. We will use the same example, that is, we will search for text formatted using the style heading 2. And replace the formatting with the style heading 1. To open the Replace tab, you can either press Ctrl plus H, or, in the Home tab, in the Editing group, click Replace. The Find and Replace dialog box is displayed, with the Replace tab selected. Just place the cursor in the Find What field. It is important to note that the field has to be empty, with nothing typed on it, because we want to replace only the formatting style, and not any text. Click More to expand the dialog box and click the Format button at the bottom left. From the drop-down list that is displayed, select Style. The Find Style dialog box is displayed. Under the Find What Style list, we need to select the style to be replaced. Continuing with our example, let's select heading 2, because this is the style we want to replace. Click OK. The name of the style, heading 2 in our case, is displayed under the Find What field. Now, click in the Replace With field. We now need to select the style we want to use. Once again, click the Format button at the bottom left, and from the drop-down list, select Style. In the Replace Style dialog box, under the Replace With Style list, we need to select the style we want to use. So, click on heading 1. And click OK. The name of the style, heading 1 in our case, is displayed under the Replace With field. Again, remember to ensure that the field Replace With is empty. In our case, as we are replacing all instances of the style heading 2 with heading 1, we'll click Replace All. A confirmation message displays saying all instances of heading 2 have been replaced with heading 1 throughout the document. These are the 2 ways through which you can replace styles in Word. Thank you for watching this video.